Welcome to a journey of discovery into the world of collagen-rich foods. Imagine if the secret to radiant, youthful skin was not in a fancy bottle, but on your plate. That's right. What you eat can have a significant impact on your skin's health and appearance. Central to this is collagen, a protein that is essential for skin elasticity and hydration. Our bodies naturally produce collagen, but as we age, this production slows down. The good news is that certain foods are rich in collagen and can help to replenish our body's supply. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can provide a host of benefits, from improved skin texture to reduced signs of aging. So, are you ready to find out what these foods are? Stay tuned as we explore 8 surprising collagen-rich foods that have anti-aging benefits. First on our list is the humble yet powerful bone broth. This nourishing concoction comes from simmering animal bones and connective tissues for an extended period. This slow cooking process allows the bones and tissues to release valuable nutrients, including a generous amount of collagen, directly into the broth. Now, collagen is the protein that gives our skin its strength and elasticity, and bone broth is teeming with it. But the benefits of bone broth don't stop at its collagen content. This traditional elixir is also packed with other essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals work in synergy with collagen to provide a wholesome anti-aging remedy. The regular consumption of bone broth can lead to noticeable improvements in skin elasticity and hydration. These changes reflect the slowing down of the aging process at a cellular level, making your skin look youthful and radiant for longer. As you can see, bone broth is truly nature's collagen elixir. Moving on, let's delve into the world of citrus fruits and leafy greens. Consider the humble orange or the zesty lemon. These citrus fruits are not only refreshing, but are also packed with vitamin C, a key player in collagen synthesis. Regular intake of vitamin C has been linked to improved skin texture and a noticeable reduction in the signs of aging. Now, let's turn the spotlight onto leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard might be staples in your salad, but did you know they're also secret collagen boosters? These greens are loaded with antioxidants that support collagen production, helping your skin stay firm and youthful. But the benefits don't stop there. Leafy greens also safeguard your skin against environmental damage, a major contributor to premature aging. So the next time you're at the grocery store, remember to stock up on these collagen-rich goodies. With these foods, you're not just eating a meal, you're feeding your skin. Next up, we have garlic and a variety of berries. Garlic, a kitchen staple celebrated for its distinct flavor, brings more to the table than just taste. It's packed with sulfur, an essential element that our bodies need to produce collagen. But the benefits of garlic don't stop there. It also contains taurine and lipid acid, compounds known to help repair damaged collagen, giving your skin the fighting chance it needs against the wear and tear of time. Now let's talk about berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, oh my, these little fruits are bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants. The vitamin C helps promote collagen production, while the antioxidants combat free radicals that can damage our skin's collagen. So not only do these vibrant berries add a pop of color to your plate, they also contribute to your skin's health and youthfulness. Garlic and berries, a delightful mix of flavor and health benefits. Let's move on to eggs and tomatoes, common foods with uncommon benefits. When you think of eggs, you might first consider their high protein content, but they're also a source of collagen, especially found in the egg whites. Now, this isn't just about adding more collagen to your diet, but also about the nutrients in the yolk that support collagen synthesis. The result? Eggs can contribute to the firmness and structure of your skin. And who can forget tomatoes? These bright red orbs are more than just a salad staple. They're a powerhouse of lycopene, a compound that not only gives tomatoes their distinctive color but also aids in collagen synthesis. But the benefits don't stop there. Lycopene also acts as a natural sunblock, helping protect your skin from UV damage, one of the leading causes of skin aging. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't underestimate these everyday foods. Eggs and tomatoes, everyday foods for extraordinary skin health. Last but not least, let's dive into the ocean with oysters. These mollusks are more than just a delectable delicacy. They're a potent source of collagen-boosting nutrients, particularly zinc. This mineral is crucial for collagen production, ensuring your skin maintains its firmness and elasticity. When you think of oysters, you might picture an elegant seafood platter, but they offer more than just a fancy dining experience. They're a powerhouse of skin-loving nutrients, and their high zinc content is a testament to this. Zinc is a key player in the production and maintenance of collagen, the protein that keeps our skin looking youthful and radiant. But the benefits of oysters don't stop at collagen production. The zinc they provide also supports overall skin health, helping to keep it supple and resilient. So the next time you're at a seafood restaurant, why not give oysters a try? They're not just a treat for your palate, they're a treat for your skin too. Oysters, a seafood delicacy that gives your skin a collagen kick. As we come to the end of our journey, let's recap. We've explored a variety of surprising collagen-rich foods, from the comforting warmth of bone broth to the tangy zest of citrus fruits. We've unveiled the secret collagen boosters in leafy greens and the unexpected benefits of garlic and berries. We've looked beyond protein in eggs, discovered the lycopene powerhouse in tomatoes, and ended with the unique seafood choice of oysters. Each of these foods offers a wealth of nutrients that support collagen synthesis, preservation, and overall skin health. So why not make your next meal an adventure? Experiment with new recipes, try incorporating these foods in different ways, and savor the flavors of health and youthfulness. Whether it's a bone broth stew, a citrusy salad, or an oyster appetizer, every meal can be a step towards maintaining that youthful glow. Remember, your skin reflects what you eat, so make your meals count.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on natural solutions and cures.